In this video, I will tell you how to use WhatsApp on laptop or PC. Open any browser and type download WhatsApp for PC. In search result, please make sure the URL should be www.whatsapp.com. In my case, it is on the top, so I click on it. After that, click on the download button from the Windows card. Then click on Open Microsoft Store button. This will open a pop-up to install WhatsApp. You can either install WhatsApp by clicking on this install button as well as by searching Microsoft Store in Windows search bar. Open Microsoft Store. In search bar, type WhatsApp and press enter. You can simply install WhatsApp from Microsoft Store in this way. Click on the install button. It will take some time according to your internet speed. Your WhatsApp is now downloaded. Open it and do further steps. Click on the Get Started button. You will see a QR code. Scan this QR code with your smartphone. If you want to use WhatsApp without installing it on your system, then follow these steps. Type web.whatsapp.com in your browser search bar and press enter. This will open a screen with QR code. Scan this QR code with your smartphone. To do this, open WhatsApp on your smartphone. Click on Settings. Then click on Linked Devices. Then press Link a Device button. And then press OK and scan your QR code. Your smartphone is now linked with your system. In your Android mobile, click on the three dots on the top right corner and then press Link Devices. Now scan your QR code to connect. Please subscribe this channel for more informative videos.